So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should.
I would describe my sound as mellow, chill, not too much, not too little, emotional, but still kind of gets you up off of your feet. Influences would be Frank Ocean, Father John Misty, Indy Ivy, Fleetwood Mac, my mom. The success of American Teen was very rapid, it was very quick. I actually did not have an idea that it was going to be that quick. I didn't know what to expect, but I knew that this was going to be the moment that changed my life forever. I was 17 when I started writing the album. I was 19 when the album was released. I always hoped that it would become platinum, but I never knew, and it's like all this time went by, and I'm like, is it going to hit it? Is it going to hit it? And it did. It was a great feeling. And hopefully it goes 2 times platinum and 3 times platinum.
Hey, hey, hey. So wake me up in the spring while I'm high on mountain bed with Kendrick.
Being nominated for 5 Grammys off of a debut album at the age of 19 years old feels insane.
Send me your location, let's find the vibration.
I dreamt of this and I put it out into existence, and I told myself, I was like, you know what, I'm going to be nominated. And there were a lot of people who doubted me and was like, oh, maybe you'll be nominated next year. I'm like, no, this year I'm going to be nominated, and I am, and it's great. And I can't wait to go and bring my mom and have a very good time. I love the fact that even though I'm from America, I can go to the UK and I can sing every single word to American Teen and they sing it right back. They don't even know what it feels like to be American. But it's just about the excitement and the joy of music and spreading positivity and just showing love. So I'm really excited to go there.
Young, dumb, broke high school kid.
London, London.